Unleashing the Power of Rhetorical Questions. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to another exciting lesson in our series on conversational English. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating aspect of conversation: rhetorical questions. This topic is part of our section on practice and application under asking and answering questions. So, sit tight, get ready, and let's unravel the magic of rhetorical questions. Let's start from the basics. Rhetorical questions are questions that don't require an answer. They're used to make a point or to emphasize an idea, rather than to elicit an answer. Some examples are, "Who doesn't love ice cream?" or "Isn't it a beautiful day?" You see, these questions are generally self-evident and the answer is usually obvious or implied. Why do we use rhetorical questions? Well, that's a rhetorical question itself. We use rhetorical questions to engage our listener, provoke thought, or make a statement. They're a powerful tool to add flair and dynamism to your conversations. If used well, they can make your speech more impactful and interesting. Now comes the fun part: creating rhetorical questions. There's no hard and fast rule here, but let's look at some ways to form them. 1. Turn a statement into a question. Take a statement like, "This pizza is delicious." We can make a rhetorical question by asking, "Isn't this pizza delicious?" 2. Ask a question with an obvious answer. Like, "Is the Pope Catholic?" The answer is obviously yes, but asking it this way helps to emphasize the point. 3. Pose a question to which no answer is expected. For example, "Who knew learning English could be this fun?" We're not really expecting an answer here. It's just a way of expressing an opinion or sentiment. Remember, practice is key. Try creating your own rhetorical questions using these guidelines. Now, let's try a quick activity. I'll give you a statement, and you try turning it into a rhetorical question. Ready? Here we go. 1. This movie is fantastic. 2. She is a great singer. 3. We should save the environment. Pause the video and think about your responses. When you're ready, play again to check your answers. Answer reveal. 1. Isn't this movie fantastic? 2. Isn't she a great singer? 3. Shouldn't we save the environment? How did you do? Keep practicing, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. That's all for today, folks. We hope this lesson on rhetorical questions has been insightful and fun. Remember, the key to mastering them is to practice. Try using rhetorical questions in your day-to-day conversations, and see the difference they make. As always, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep the language love alive. Until next time, happy learning!